Hello everyone, welcome to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to use the Fees Report section in the system. Let's get started. After logging into the application, navigate to the side menu and select Fees Management. Next, go to the Fees Reports tab. Here, you can select from various report options such as Fees Report, Fees Summary, Date-wise Fees Report, Student-wise Report, Head-wise Payment Report, Manual Discount Report, and Monthly Report. The Fees Report provides a detailed overview of student fee records, showing how much each student has paid and how much amount is still remaining. You can also apply filters like academic year and admission status to get more specific results, and download the report in PDF or Excel format for easy sharing and record keeping. Similarly, the Fees Summary provides a concise overview of fee transactions within the selected date range, showing which students have installments due, helping the institute understand the fees receivable during that period. The Date-wise Fees Report provides a filtered view of fee transactions within the selected date range, showing which students have made payments during that period, along with a summary of total amount, paid amount, discounts, and remaining fees. The Student-wise Fees Report provides a detailed view of an individual student's fee records, showing their payment status up to the selected date. The Head-wise Payment Report provides a detailed breakdown of student fees based on different fee heads and different payment modes. The Manual Discount Report provides a detailed view of discounts given to students, showing how much discount has been applied and the type of discount provided. The Monthly Report provides a summary of fees organized by fee headers, calculating their total accordingly. Thank you for watching this demo.